Let's eat! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making avocado chips for the first time. So, if you like eating healthy and trying something different, then stick around for this video. Alright, first up, we're going to go ahead and cut open our avocado. We're going to use one avocado for this recipe. All right, now we're going to go ahead and mash up our avocado. We're going to squeeze in half of a lemon. All right, we're going to add in 3/4 cup of Parmesan shredded cheese. We're going to add in some garlic powder and onion powder, about a 1/2 teaspoon, but feel free to add in as much as you would like. I'm doing a 1/2 teaspoon. We're going to add in about a 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of black pepper, but to your liking. And we're going to add in about a 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Go ahead and blend up your ingredients well. All right, you're going to get you a sheet pan and you're going to cover your sheet pan with parchment paper. We're going to go ahead and get started with scooping out some of our avocado mix to make our chips. All right, we're going to go ahead and scoop up just a little bit of our avocado, and we're going to go ahead and spread it out into a circular form and make sure that you flatten it out so that it can be thin so that we can have crispy avocado chips. All right, we're going to bake these in the oven on 325 for about 30 to 35 minutes. Check it in 30 minutes. And it's going to come out looking like this. Yes, it's supposed to be that brown because it is avocado. And we're going to go ahead and serve it up with 3 different dips. I have a chipotle lime, and I have a salsa, and I have a spicy cilantro dip. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!